Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Prolux brand, which is 100% US owned and operated. It's a professional shop, wall-mounted garage vacuum cleaner, wet or dry pickup, powerful 162 cubic feet per minute with a 30-foot hose, and it is US ETL rated. Now this thing comes packed with a lot of features, as you can see right here. And I'm going to go over every one of these components so that you know exactly what this comes with. And then I'm going to mount it in my garage and do a thorough test of this product. First, I'm going to show you how this is sent to you and how this is packaged so that you get a perfect product in the mail. So this is the box the Prolux vacuum cleaner came in. A nice big box to protect everything and hold everything. It's 4 feet by about 2 feet by 2 feet. We're going to open it up and see what's inside here, how it's packed. So you open the box, there is a nice printed flyer which has troubleshooting and easy assembly, care and maintenance, and everything is packed here. You can see the manual, the hose, the unit itself in the center, and it's protected with big pieces of cardboard and foam on the end, and this is all the accessories in there. So this product gets excellent Amazon customer ratings, and it includes a 3-year warranty from Prolux and 61-day returns with free return shipping. So this is powerful, 162 cubic feet per minute. It's wall mountable, and it does come with the hardware. As you can see right there, that's the bracket itself, and it comes with some hardware here so that you can mount it on your garage wall. And you can see back there, there's the 30-foot long hose, which is incredible. This is all quality materials. The HEPA filters inside here. And there's another filter inside here we're going to show. We're going to take that apart. And that hose right there is 30 foot and it is crush resistant, so it's really durable. You have the option to blow air out of that nozzle, and there's your vacuum nozzle. We're going to show a close-up of that so that you can see how that is accomplished and how we're going to use these various tools that it comes with. One of the things that's cool about this, it has a little mini turbo head we're going to show right there, and it allows you to clean your carpeting, and has a gear drive in there that's driven by the vacuum pressure. So let's get this started. I'm going to actually show you everything it comes with individually right now, so you know exactly what you're buying. So included with most Prolux vacuum cleaners is this cleaning tool. You see it has a brush on one end and a blade on the other. You could scan right there like I did, and then you can get access
It should look new again.
To the video.
Don't forget, we do sell replacement filters, so if you like a vacuum filter,
and it shows you exactly how to use that tool, which is nice. This is the mini head with a rotating brush that has an impeller that's driven by the air, and you could scrub that, or you could rotate this and do the actual cleaning of your upholstery. It includes 2 brush heads that allow you to clean things with a nice soft feel to them. 2 vacuum crevice nozzles. This is the wet pickup squeegee tool. This is the multi-surface floor vacuum tool. And you can see it has parts that you can step on, and that allows this brush to go in and out, really nice. And it has various pressure nozzles where you're going to be able to blow air out to clean crevices. And then it has different size orifices that you could use depending on your application. It has a very heavy duty mounting bracket that you're going to mount on your garage to hold the whole vacuum cleaner. And the suds gun sprayer right here where the air pressure goes there, and you see it has a nozzle there. It will draw soap and allow you to clean upholstery. It comes with an accessory bag that you're going to hang on the special adapter that's included. We're going to show you that next. And the wall plate that has the hook to hold that accessory bag, and the actual 30-foot hose. And it includes 2 extension wands, which you're going to use when you want to vacuum the floor, and the 30-foot long hose, which is going to allow you to vacuum or send pressure out of the unit. And the vacuum cleaner itself, this is a status light. You want to be in the green. There's a yellow and a red That's letting you know when the vacuum cleaner is blocked up. If it goes to red, you want to immediately shut down and clean your filter. You can see it has latches on the side right there that allow this to lock down in place. There's also viewing windows on there so you can see the liquid level. Now this thing is really rugged, large size. Let's take a look over here. This is the vacuum port, and it just plugs right in on there like that. And on the top right here, you've got your power cord. It's about 16 feet long, so make sure that you can get this powered in your garage. And then on the top of this, there is a power switch. Let's turn this a little bit here. There is the power switch right there, on and off. Then this is the adapter section for when you're sending vacuum pressure, taking output air out of there. And this comes off. Just turn it like that. And when you use this, I'll show you right here, you just rotate this and it locks in these collars right there. And the reason they're doing that is because pressure is coming out on the top, and you want to make sure that this stays in place. So that's really clever. So this goes like that. Then this allows some rotation, but it keeps it from popping out because this is where you get outgoing pressure. So I want to give you an idea of how tall this is. It's about 31 inches tall, and it's about 16 inches wide. So make sure you find a place in your garage that can handle that height and that width. Then on the right hand side, you're going to have space for the hose, and make sure you allow space for that also. So here is the vacuum cleaner base, and it has this direction piece of plastic that's going to allow any water to trickle back down into it. And if you look inside here, you can see that's where the water is being stored. And then here's the top unit, which has the HEPA style filter on here. And it looks like there's a way to unscrew it, remove. We're going to show that. And then here's the sensor that you got to make sure you keep clean. This is what's hanging, and it goes into that bucket to sense when the water level has risen, so that it gives you a warning, because you don't want the water to intrude into the dry portion of your filter. So when you unscrew that, then this comes out, and this is a pre-filter that's protecting the main HEPA filter. And of course this could be cleaned and should be thoroughly dry before you put it back. And then here is the actual HEPA filter right here. And there's where you can use that tool that's included, the brush, to keep this clean after you've used it. You should probably change this once a year, and for more frequently if you're using this thing a lot in your garage. So here it's attached to my wall. I did some careful measuring, make sure it all fit around whatever's here. And I have the bracket there and the accessory little holder right there, and it's all set to test. So let's just turn it on and show you something. So that's the light that comes on. So if you block the nozzle, you get the red warning you. And this will be if there's water that's intruding, and that'll warn you there. So I've been buying a lot of mulch from my yard, and I'm using my red car, and I'm using my car to haul it. And I gotta clean out the mulch that dropped out of the bags. And you can see it right here, pretty much all over the place. Now I'm going to vacuum my garage floor with this included attachment. Now I'm going to use this attachment to spray some soap on my seats of my car if it's a little dirty, and then we're going to use this attachment to clean it up, brush it. Let's remove this base. Let's see what we have here. And you can see that we have all the mulch in there. Everything I vacuumed off the floor is on the bottom of the unit. Really nice. So after testing the Prolux brand, their professional shop wall mounted garage vac with wet or dry pickup and all the attachments, 30-foot hose, everything organized and ready to use. This is an excellent product. I love the way it worked. I love how the mount system was, very easy to do. And as I demonstrated, this thing vacuums really nicely, has a lot of vacuum pressure, and you don't have to worry about getting any water in the hose because it'll handle that perfectly. So I really like this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.